Hello. This video helps you understand how to create schedules in BMC Helix Business Workflows for the maintenance of assets and lines of business. Let us first understand what a schedule is. A schedule is used for automatic creation of cases for the routine maintenance of assets in a line of business. It helps in tracking the recurring preventive maintenance of assets. A schedule ensures that cases are automatically created, and it saves the time and effort of a workplace technician. A case business analyst creates schedules for lines of business. Let's now look at a use case to create a schedule for the workplace line of business. Fritz is a case business analyst for the workplace line of business at Petramco. He wants to create a schedule for a quarterly maintenance of air conditioners at Petramco's Pune site. Fritz logs into BMC Helix Business Workflows. On the home page, he clicks the settings icon. On the settings page, he expands the case management menu, and clicks schedule configuration. On the case recurrent schedule page, he clicks schedule. In the create case recurrent schedule pane, Fritz enters a name for the schedule. The line of business is automatically selected. In the status field, he selects active as he wants to create a schedule that is ready for execution. In the Asset Relationship Options field, he selects one case for all assets, so that one case is created for all air conditioners in Pune site. In the Requester field, he enters Frida Hoffman as the requester. The requester's company name is populated automatically. In the Case Template field, he selects a case template. This template will be used for case creation. Fritz now selects the start and end date for the schedule. A maximum of 3 years is allowed for the end date for a schedule when it is created. However, by enabling Auto Extend, the schedule can be perpetually extended by 1 year, 6 months prior to the end date. Fritz enables Auto Extend for this schedule. In the Lead Time in Days field, he selects 1. The case will be created 1 day before the work start date. In the Recurrent section, he selects Monthly. In the Recur Every field he enters 4, and selects 15 as the date. A schedule instance will be created every quarter on the 15th of that month. Fritz clicks Next. In the Asset Details section, Fritz relates the asset with the schedule. In the CI Type field, he selects the asset type, Equipment. In the Product Category Tier 1, he selects Facilities. In the Status field, he selects the default option, Deployed, and then clicks Search. From the search results, Fritz selects the asset and clicks Relate. Fritz has successfully created a schedule for the routine maintenance of air conditioner at the Pune site of Petramco. The schedule is displayed on the Case Recurrent Schedule page. By default, the Active Schedules filter is applied, and the Case Recurrent Schedule page displays all active schedules. Fritz opens the schedule to view the schedule instances created for the schedule. He clicks the Schedule Instances tab. A case will be created 1 day before the schedule date for each instance and assigned to a workplace technician. If, for example, a scheduled instance falls on the weekend or a holiday, it can be cancelled. Or, the case creation date or the work start date can be changed. To summarize, a case business analyst creates schedules to create recurring cases for the routine maintenance of assets. Schedule instances are created according to the recurrence pattern defined in the schedule. A case is created for each schedule instance, and it is assigned to a workplace technician. We hope that this video helped you understand how to create schedules for recurring preventive maintenance of assets in BMC Helix Business Workflows. You can find detailed information on docs.bmc.com. The links are added in the description. Thank you for watching.